Welcome, in front of me is DELL Precision 5520, and in this video I will tell you how to adjust brightness level on this laptop. There are two ways to do that. The first one is by clicking on these three icons over here. You're going to do it with your finger or with your mouse or with your touchpad. And right here you can slide to the left or to decrease your brightness level, and to the right to increase it. But there is also a second way to do that by using your function keys. And the function keys for increasing or decreasing your brightness level are F12 and F11. So if you press F12, you will increase the brightness level. If you press F11, you will decrease it. If those buttons don't work, that means that your function keys are locked, and to unlock your function keys you simply have to press F11 button with escape together. For me, I just locked the function keys, but if I press it again, I will unlock them. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.